At industrialgearbox.net, we specialize in comprehensive repair solutions for a wide range of industrial equipment, including high-performance units like this Flender K152 Bevel Helical Gearbox. These robust gearboxes are vital for applications requiring efficient power transmission and high torque. Our repair process begins with a complete teardown and thorough inspection of every component. We examine the helical and bevel gears, bearings, and shafts for any signs of wear or damage that could compromise performance. After a comprehensive cleaning and preparation of the gearbox housing, we begin the precise reassembly. New or expertly refurbished components are installed to ensure the gearbox meets or exceeds OEM specifications, guaranteeing optimal reliability and extended operational life. The finished Flender K152 Bevel Helical Gearbox is now ready for deployment, restored to peak condition and prepared to tackle the toughest industrial demands. For reliable and expert repair services for your Flender gearbox, trust the specialists at industrialgearbox.net. Visit our website or call us today for a free quote. industrialgearbox.net.